we were discussing about keyword research, and now today topic is the keyword research with Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is one of the best tools, so which will help you to understand keyword value and the keyword competition, keyword suggestions and propositions and difficulties. So let me share my screen and let me show you how to do it. So first you need to log in your Gmail account. First, you need to install Chrome extension. So for me now, suggest Chrome. Yeah, this is recently it has been launched. So one of the best, which yeah. So this is the tool. Install it, add it. Yeah, now it's added. Okay. So let me go to search engine. Let me take a keyword. So weight loss is my keyword, and I do some research in this keyword. So another tool is here, so which we have discussed already, and so let me. So here can you see Uber suggest. This is a tool. So India prepared location, and here we got keywords. Can you see here? These are the keywords. So what we need to do now? So let me export this keyword. Yeah. Okay, so let me export these keywords. You can see here how to weight lose is 74,000 volume per month, and the weight loss 74,000 volume per month, and how is weight loss and 74,000, the weight loss 74,000 volume, and weight loss 74,000 volume, and weight loss diet 60,500. So now what I need to do, and here you can see suggestions and questions, and this all you can check with directly Uber Suggest tool. So let me export this and let me open. Three, need to it's redirected to dashboard. Yeah, here export in CSV. So what I do, I'll export. Right. So this is my keyword. So let me organize in proper way. So can you see here? So keyword and search value and CPC. I don't want right now because this is all about paid campaign. I'll delete it and paid difficulty not required. I'll delete it and I need search difficulty. Okay. So what I do here, just I'll filter. So here's filter option. short, largest to smallest. So here, so what I do, so I will filter and I need the maximum volume. So what I do, the below whatever keywords are there, so I will delete all those things. I don't want this. And now, and again one more filter we can apply. So here, shorter to larger. To largest. Yeah, because I need the search difficulty has to be as much as small. So can you see here? So 1600 is good, and Hindi. No, I'm not writing any blog in Hindi, so just ignore it. And weight loss Zumba dance. Yeah, let it be. And recipes. And again, so what I do, I will take maximum. I'll go with here 30-35. So let it be 43-40. Yeah. So highest difficulty keywords I will try to remove. Let me make till 35. So 35%, 30% is fine. So I will go with. Okay. So these are the keyword, and I will try to find out some more filter. I don't want difficulties also. Let me make short it like initially we have to go with lesser competition so that those keywords I am finding here. Always we have to target the small competitive keyword. Okay, so in this way we have to, so let me, yeah, below 20, below 20, so okay, so 16, that's fine. So let me take these three. Yeah, can you see? So we got three keywords. See, 1300 and 1300, almost 2600 and 3600. 3600 volume we have, almost three keywords. So we can target this keyword. You can write a blog, an article about this keyword, and you can do some research on this keyword. So you'll get a lot of options and lot of suggestions and lot of other keywords too. So that by targeting these keywords, you can write a beautiful article and you can post it on your blogs and all. In this way, you can achieve your goal. So your search engine optimization will happen the very nicely. Okay, hope so far so clear, and thank you so much. This is the research how you need to do with the keyword research tool. And today we have discussed about keyword Uber suggest Chrome extension, and even I have shown you how to install that. Okay, so thank you so much and take care. Bye bye. If you have any doubt, and just feel free to contact me so that I will clear the things. And these are the keyword. In this way, you have to do the keyword research. Okay.